Alright, welcome back to the extended version of the simplicity tutorial on the 5x5 Professor's Cube. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the edge parodies. Now, in this methodology, you have solved all your edges, and I'm going to show you how to solve the edge parodies by just two colors. And from this, edge parody will be just done in just 1 minute. So I started with, I can see green and green, yellow and green, and yellow and green, and yellow and blue, and yellow and blue. So let's turn this side. So just you do that, apply the flipping algorithm. Like that, and you get one of the edges that I want to show you how to do. So you have done your edge parodies in just 1 minute. Now in the last video, I'm going to show you how to solve this Rubik Cube 5 like a 3 by 3.